Stop by and take a look at the 2010 Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydroformed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, front suspension type, multi-link, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, front suspension classification, solid live axle, braking assist, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.